Yeah, it always blows my mind, like when really old people will say, I'm gonna stay alive for another year for this, for to see you get married or something like that.
Yeah.
That's incredible that they're just like they can just say like, yeah, I could die at any second. Like I could choose. Like I could literally
Mhm.
just close my eyes and be like, all right, that's it. Like they have
Yeah.
that ability to just because they're so close, they can feel it, but they can just they can will themselves, their organs and whatnot to keep going.
Mm. Well, I think that's actually an interesting point because it just goes to show that life force is under our conscious control, and life force responds to us. So if you did want to keep living another year, your body will listen to you and it will do that. And this isn't necessarily something you have to wait to start doing until you're like 80. You can have that level of communication with the cells of your body and your own life force and call it into being more fully. And there's lots of different ways to do that. There's some different like talks that you can have with yourself that certain books that I've read have really encouraged this sort of thing, where you're actually speaking to your cells and you're encouraging them because there's like new cells springing into being all the time within our physical
Right.
body. And a lot of people are like the message that they're sending to those cells is the idea that they have about themselves, and they're like, I am a 60-year-old person, I have such and such mental medical problems, and this is the thing. And so the new cells that arrive are like, oh, okay, I'm a 60-year-old cell even though I was just born. And this is what I like. I function only okay, because that's what I'm being asked to do. But what you can do, or what the encouragement of at least this particular practice was to just really like connect with the newness of those cells and like the potentiality of them and like the unblemished nature of them, and just to see yourself as this like like a new bud just flowering, like a brand new like the colorless sap of the tree, which is still undifferentiated, like the pluripotent stem cell, and just like seeing that that life force is actually very much a part of you right now. And what do you want those cells to be? Do you want to tell them you're 65, or do you want to tell them I'm 18? Do you want to tell them I'm like maybe I don't even have an age, but I'm just very vitally alive, and play with that. I know I get told all the time that I look young for my age, and part of that is that I'm involved with my own life force, and I've been doing it before I even knew I was doing it. But I just decided not to buy into any ideas about age, and I've been doing that my whole life. And it's just I don't have an age that I think I am. I answer people's questions when they ask me that, but it's just I'm just thinking of myself as a young, vital human.